Add some creativity to everything you do with these useful hacks. Here's a smart way to recycle your bottle caps and lids. To better preserve vegetables, sprinkle some baking soda between 2 sheets of paper toweling in the vegetable drawer. A squeegee can also be useful for cleaning hard-to-reach spots. Look at all that dirt! Make a DIY air freshener. Grate up a bar of soap and put the shavings into a jar with a perforated lid. Perfect for the car. Stun your guests with this hack. Can't find the end? It only takes a few seconds in the microwave. Problem solved. Now, where do you put the phone? Simple. Recycle a face mask. Handy. Use an egg lift to drain the liquid from food jars in a jiffy. And to store food in the fridge after decanting it from a jar, here's how to tightly put plastic wrap over the storage container. Properly sealed. Tight lid. Opened easily using a piece of plastic wrap. Cut up an orange like a pro. Perfect slices. Oversized piece of cardboard? Wet it to fold it up easily. Child's play. A lot of dirt can get into the seals on a fridge. Regular cleaning of the seals guarantees the proper functioning of the appliance and retards the formation of mold and unpleasant odors. A useful hack for cracking multiple eggs and gathering up all the shells in one go. And to scramble them, use a milk frother. Do you fancy pancakes? Use a skewer to distribute the batter evenly. Perfect! DIY sushi? Here's an easy method. Bon appetit! Just drill a hole in the container to make your life easier. Now the bag fits perfectly. Cut open a single portion sauce pot like this. The jam will be much easier to spread. tight knot? Do this. Easy. Don't overcomplicate your life. Use a piece of spaghetti. You should always spray your doormat with hairspray. This way, the dirt won't stick. Here's how to put on the plaster correctly. Perfect. Cut tomatoes in a jiffy with this hack. Done. Wow! Ingenious! Put a glass in the center. A DIY double cooker. Like this, the honey will drip everywhere. Try this hack. A handy DIY dispenser. Pants too tight? Using this clever technique, you will get them on in no time. Ingenious! Is your top still wet? Here's a foolproof, fast-drying method. Useful! Here's a hygienic way to wear shoes without socks. A great idea! Some useful advice for the winter. The sheet will trap the hot air and the clothes will dry out faster. What a mess! Place wooden beads between the bowls. A DIY turntable. Handy! Want to make popcorn in a pan? Like this, the corn will pop out all over the place. It's much better to use a sieve. Before hanging up your wet sweater, remove excess water by doing this. Use a cookie cutter to cook minced meat and an egg. A fantastic idea for a quick meal.